Hello viewers, welcome to Adbandhan YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Shohan Rahman Shohag with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to make unipolar remote control wiring circuit diagram. If you're new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. Differential switch, DPMCB, relay, light, switch 1, switch 2, neutral connection input to differential, phase connection input to differential switch, output connection from differential to connect DPMCB, phase connection output from DPMCB to connect relay, neutral connection input to relay from DPMCB, neutral connection to light, phase connection from relay to connect switch 2, another connection to switch 1, another output connection from relay to connect switch 1 and switch 2, output connection from relay to connect light. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.